Hi everybody, today we're back again. Today we're flying the drone. Welcome to the RC airfield at North Park. Well, they did say that guests are allowed here.
Their field sucks. There it goes. Ready?
Hit cancel.
Ready? Everyone ready?
Yeah. Get ready, set, go.
That's all.
That's it?
Right. Ready?
Yeah.
Do you have the video on it? What?
I don't wanna record, but recording.
Bro, look how hard that thing is.
Fly it over there and see what's over there.
Bro, look. Wait, Daddy, can I look at that?
Look at that. You can see where it's going. See that?
Can I see it? How do you see it? You can see what it's seeing?
Yeah.
Oh. Where?
It's
That's
on the
what
screen.
it's seeing on
Yeah.
the screen? Oh, that's so cool. Can you move it?
Wait! Make it look this way! Wait, I wanna look! Hey, Daddy! Do you see me? Daddy, I can't see you! Because it's so bright because of the sun! Daddy, make it look at me! And I want to see what it's seeing. Can I go against the fence? Bruh. Can you? Wait, can I wave at myself?
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Wait, move it around.
See, what's really cool about it is here, if you fly it like, you can fly it into places where, like you can go see what's over there without it touching over there.
Look how stable it is with the wind. Take video, take picture. Everybody wave.
Did you do it?
Daddy, are you still recording?
Yeah.
You definitely have to.
I got it centered on us too. Okay, I should be able to turn it on. It doesn't look like it's going home.
It looks like he's going into the sky.
Go the wrong direction.
It's coming down.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, run.
Where'd it go?
No, no, Daddy, get control. Bro. Oh my gosh, that's kidding. Bro. Bro! Well, that is. I think you can't do that anymore. Shut it down!